In this video I will tell you how to take a screenshot on Dell. So I will tell you two method. First method manual and second method shortcut key. Okay, shortcut key and alternate plus shift plus s same time is press. Okay, like alternate plus shift plus s. So this is a select areas. Okay, ये screenshot is completed. Manual method, go to search bar, type screenshot. This is option, spinning tool is click. Okay, spinning tool open and new tab choose. Okay, so select areas, like select areas, this is my area, I like it. Okay, this is complete. Take a screenshot. So I save button, this is here, click and choose your folder. I like download section. Okay, download section, capture share market sheet, share market sheet, folder name, photo name, share market sheet. Okay, download section, save. I go to download section, you can see share market sheets photos, this is here. Okay, so this is very simple. So if you like my information, so please subscribe my channel.